Magandang umaga, maayong buntag, madyaong aga, naimbag abigat, salamat pagi, xiaojiang hao, ohayo gozaimasu, good morning. This is Ramal Magdalas, your subject teacher for Media and Information Literacy. Sa kasalukuyang digital na panahon, ang media at impormasyon ay may malaking papel sa ating pang-araw-araw na buhay. Ang mga oportunidad na dulot ng mabilis na paglaganap ng teknolohiya at pag-access sa iba't ibang platform ay nagbibigay daan sa mas malawak na koneksyon, edukasyon at pagpapahayag. Gayunpaman, kasabay ng mga oportunidad na ito ay ang mga hamon tulad ng maling impormasyon, paglabag sa privacy at mga epekto ng digital divide. Today, we will discuss about the opportunities, challenges, and power of media and information. Topic 8, Opportunities, Challenges, and Power of Media and Information. Lesson 1, Opportunities and Challenges in Media and Information. In economy, education, social, and politics. Economic opportunities. Media and information technologies have created new industries, job opportunities, and economic growth. Digital media platforms have revolutionized advertising, marketing, and e-commerce. Ang mga social media influencers, blogger at content creators ay naging dahilan ng pagbabago ng digital na nilalaman ng isang kumikitang career path. The rise of online businesses and digital economies have been largely powered by media and information technologies. Economic challenges. Maaaring magpatuloy ang consumerism at hindi pagkakapantay-pantay sa ekonomiya dulot ng media. Halimbawa, ang maling impormasyon tungkol sa mga pamilihang pinansyal o mga pagsusuri ng produkto ay maaaring magbigay ng maling impormasyon sa mga mamimili at magdulot ng pagbago-bago sa pamilihan. Digital divide means that some population may not have the same access to economic opportunities created by media. Educational opportunities. The educational sector has greatly benefited from the rise of digital media, offering tools for online learning, educational apps, and interactive platforms. Students can access information from around the world, opening up a wide range of learning opportunities. Democratize education by making resources available to marginalized communities. Educational challenges. Ang napakalaking dami ng impormasyon na available online ay maaaring magdulot ng kalituhan na nagre-resulta ng information overload. Quality and credibility of education content online are often questionable. Digital divide also poses a barrier to equitable access to educational resources, as some students may lack the necessary technology or internet connectivity to fully participate on online learning. Social opportunities. Media has played a key role in connecting people globally, fostering social movements, and amplifying voices that were previously marginalized. Ang mga social media platforms ay naging mahalaga sa pagsusulong ng katarungang panlipunan, mga isyu sa kapaligiran at mga karapatang pantao. Social challenges. The rise of social media has also introduced new challenges such as online bullying, harassment, and the spread of harmful content. There are also a growing concern over privacy and the exploitation of personal data by companies and governments. Ang potensyal ng media na palakasin ang mga panirang pahayag at magdulot ng pagkakahati-hati sa lipunan ay isa pang malaking hamon. Political opportunities. Ang media at impormasyon ay makapangyarihang mga kasangkapan para sa pampolitikang partisipasyon, pagpapataas ng kamalayan sa mga mahalagang issue at paghubog ng opinyon ng publiko. Social media platforms have been used to mobilize political movements, campaign for elections, and hold government accountable. Political challenges. Misuse to manipulate public opinion, spread propaganda, or create political unrest. The spread of fake news and disinformation, especially during election cycles, is a major concern. Maaring gamitin din ng gobyerno ang media upang supilin ang oposisyon o limitahan ang malayang pamamahayag na nagpapahina sa mga demokratikong proseso. Lesson 2. Threats, risks, abuse, and misuse of media and information. Threats and risks. Misinformation and disinformation. The spread of false and misleading information can have harmful effects on public health, politics, and societal trust. Ang mga social media platforms, partikular na, ay madaling maging biktima ng pagkalat ng peking balita dahil maaari itong mabilis na kumalat at maabot ang malalaking audience. Privacy risk. The increased use of social media and digital platforms raises concerns about privacy. Ang mga data breaches, surveillance, at hindi otorisadong paggamit ng personal na impormasyon ay ang malaking panganib na kaugnay ng online na pakikisalamuha. Abuse and misuse. Cyberbullying. The anonymity provided by digital platforms ay nagdulot ng pagtaas ng online harassment, partikular na sa mga kabataan. Cyberbullying can be serious consequences, including mental health issues, and in extreme case, suicide. Manipulation. Media, particularly social media, can be used to manipulate opinion and behavior. Halimbawa, maaaring gamitin ng mga kakampanyang politika o kumpanya ang mga targeted ads upang impluensyahan ang pag-uugali ng botante o mga desisyon ng mamimili. Lesson 3. Real-world example of the power of media and information to affect changes. The Philippines has been significant impact from the power of media and information. Number 1. Disaster response. Typhoon Haiyan, or locally in the Philippines, Bagyong Yolanda. Social media played a crucial role in disseminating information, coordinating relief efforts, and connecting families during the devastating 2013 typhoon. Citizens used platforms to share real-time updates on affected areas, locate missing persons, and mobilize aid. COVID-19 pandemic. Social media platforms became vital for disseminating public health information, tracking the spread of the virus, and connecting peoples with essential services. Online platforms were used to organize community pantries and facilitate mutual aid during lockdowns. 2. Social movements. Hashtag Menjola Massacre. The 1987 Menjola Massacre, where posturing farmers were killed by government forces, sparked widespread outrage fueled by media coverage. This event significantly contributed to public awareness of social and economic inequalities. Hashtag End PHL Contrata. This online movement mobilized teachers and other contractual employees to advocate for their rights and demand regular employment. Social media platforms were used to organize protests, share information, and build solidarity among affected workers. Political discourse. 2016 presidential election. Social media played a significant role in the 2016 presidential election campaign, with candidates utilizing platforms to reach voters and spread their messages. However, this also saw the rise of fake news and disinformation campaigns, highlighting the potential for misuse of media in political contexts. 4. Economic development. Rise of the gig economy. Platforms like Grab and Foodpanda have revolutionized the transportation and food delivery in the Philippines, creating new economic opportunities for drivers and delivery personnel. E-commerce growth. Online platforms have facilitated the growth of e-commerce in the Philippines, connecting businesses with a wider market and enabling consumers to access a wide range of products. 5. Government response. Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012. The Philippines has enacted legislation to address cybercrime, but its implementation and enforcement face challenges. That's all for today. I hope this lecture has been informative. Please feel free to ask any questions you may have. Looking forward to any discussion. Shukran.